Hello good people, I'm going to explore the concept of molarity. In chemistry, molarity, capital M, is the most common method for expressing the concentration of a solution. The units used are moles per liter, and the formula for molarity is number of moles of solute over volume of solution in liters. Before I demonstrate a molarity calculation, let me briefly talk about this concept of concentration. Suppose that I have 2 cups of water. To the cup on the left, I'm going to add 3 cubes of sugar, while the cup on the right will end up with 5 cubes of sugar. The cubes of sugar are the solute, the water is the solvent, and the sugary water that we end up with is the solution. A solute will dissolve in a solvent to give a solution. And rather instinctively, we could also say that the cup on the left is less concentrated or has a lower concentration of sugar, whereas the cup on the right is more concentrated or has a higher concentration of sugar. While cups of water and number of cubes of sugar are fine, in chemistry we like to work in moles. Let me explore a quick molarity calculation. I have carefully weighed out 125 grams of magnesium sulfate, placed it in a volumetric flask, and then dissolved it in water. The magnesium sulfate is the solute, while water is the solvent. And as a result, I have created a magnesium sulfate solution. Once the magnesium sulfate was dissolved, I have added enough water all the way up to the 0.500 liter mark. The question now might be, what is the molarity of this solution? I'm going to start by writing out the formula for molarity, which is number of moles over volume of solution in liters. While I have the volume, I do not have the number of moles. So over here, I'm going to write the formula for number of moles, which is mass over molar mass. The mass is 125 grams, while the molar mass of magnesium sulfate is 120.367 grams per mole. According to my calculator, this will give us 1.04 moles when rounded to 3 significant figures. Now that I have the number of moles, I can substitute it in my molarity formula. And so I will have 1.04 moles over 0.500 liters. And that will give me 2.08 moles per liter. Please note that molarity is not the only way to express concentration. There are others, but more on those in later videos. That is all for now, and I will see you on the flip side.